Right, quick video today about sprayers. So I've been using this manual pump sprayer for a long time now, and it does my head in pumping it. It just irritates me. So I've gone to electric. I come across this little electric sprayer online. Um, £15, really cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But we're gonna give that a go. Charges, it's rechargeable. It just charges off a phone charger. Very simple, and it means I don't have to pump. No more pumping up and down. Just press and spray. Comes with a selection of nozzles, a little strap to carry it, everything you need for 15 quid. So I've got a little job to do on the fence, so let's give this a try and see how it does. So the handle just charges from a USB type C. When it's charging, the light is red, and once it's charged, that light will turn to blue. Easy as that. And just like that, the light's blue, so now it's charged. Ready to go. Easy. The good thing with these little sprayers is you can see how much you're putting in on the side. We've got a little gauge, a little clear plastic bit. There we go. So 3 litres. Right, so this is the first time using this electric sprayer. So looks pretty good so far. It's got the button on off, saves pumping. See how good it is. So we're using wet and forget. So we're just going to do the left hand side of the panel. It's pretty good, that. Let's go over there and do our fence panel the same. I think I give about £15 for this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the video to this little sprayer, because I don't know about you, the little hand pump sprayers do my head in, having to stop to pump all the time. And I seen these and thought, you know what, I'll give that a go. I have got a little hand pump that I use for degreasing and this kind of stuff, but this is definitely easier. Obviously there's no pumping involved. I know it's no hard work and pumping them, they're easier going, but this is less work. Well, this makes it easy work, doesn't it? I could probably go a bit thinner on this panel because the green isn't as concentrated. I mean, this fence panel here, the green on it really is heavy. Most people probably won't have that much green on their fence. So in the instructions it does say to do it on a dry surface. Obviously if it's just rained, it'd be no good. You just dilute the products as soon as you put it on. I'll get plenty on. Since we're doing a video, we want good results, don't we? Give it a good soaking. Right, so the verdict is in. What do we think? Do we go for the pump or do we go for the electric? We'll go for the electric. It is easy, it's quick, and you aren't going to pump it. The price has gone up since I made the video. Originally I paid £15, but it's gone up to £30. I still think it's worth it, even at 30 quid. I'll put a link in the description to the direct one I've bought, and I think you will like this as much as I do.